Is going to show how to upload pictures of documents or completed work so that we can use it on Schoology. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Windows button on the bottom left corner of my screen. When I do that, it's going to open up with the different apps and things on my computer. What I'm going to just start doing is type in the word camera, and then you're going to find that there is a camera app on your computer. All right, so you can go ahead and click on that camera app. And then as you can see, it is showing a spot for where we can take a picture. Right now mine's on video mode, so I would just change to photo mode. And then what it'll allow you to do is be able to take your picture. So in the next part here, I'm going to show how to turn your camera around so you can be able to take a picture of your document or a booklet or anything that you're working on. All right, now that we have our camera app open, we're gonna just do a couple things so we can get our picture of our Eureka math problems that we're working on. The first thing I'm gonna do on my camera on my computer is I'm gonna flip it around so that way it's easier for me to get a picture. All right, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take either my worksheet or my entire book and I'm just going to place it behind. What you might find is that you have to adjust like what it looks like. You'll notice like on my screen it shows up initially as it's being flipped upside down, but that's fine. The computer will automatically fix that when it's ready to go. You might have to tilt your monitor up just so you can get the top of the page, or you might have to lift your page to get the stuff on the bottom. If you need to take more than one picture to get your whole page, that is totally fine. You can submit multiple things to Schoology. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the part of the page that I want, and I'm going to take my picture. If I need to raise my page up a little bit so I can get the questions at the bottom of the page, I'll just raise it up a little bit, take another picture, and then I will be ready to submit to Schoology. Whenever you take a picture with your camera, if you go on your computer, it automatically will put the pictures in a camera roll folder. So right now I'm in the pictures area of my computer in this pictures folder, and then there's a camera roll. If I double click on it, I can see the picture that I just took, and I'd be able to pull up my work. All right, as I can see, my picture was able to automatically flip around. The camera already adjusted it so that way the picture wasn't shown the opposite way. Now what I'm going to do is if I want to submit this to Schoology, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Schoology course. I'm going to find my assignment where I want to submit this, and I'm going to click on it. And then on the right side, there's a submit button. So in this case, I already went through it once, so I'm going to just hit this resubmit. And then it gives me the option to upload. From here, I'm going to just click on the file icon, and then I'm going to have to I'm going to go into my pictures folder, go to my camera roll, find my Eureka example in this case. All right. And then from here, I will be able to submit. All right. As you can see on the side, I am able to make multiple submissions. So if you need to take 2 pictures of a page to make sure that you get the top and the bottom for your teacher, you can go ahead and submit multiple times. If I want to keep submitting, I'm just going to say, all right, I want to resubmit. And then I just go through the process, and then I'd just be able to take however many of the pictures that I have and be able to submit them however my teacher wants me to assign them. You can double check if you want to click on one of them to see what you actually submitted. It kind of pulls it up as if it's a document, and then you'll be able to see your written work. All right, so as you can see, I mean, in this case, my document comes in a little dark. I might want to find a well-lit area if I'm going to take a picture of it, but ultimately the teacher will be able to see the work that I put down on the page, and we'll be able to see everything for the different assignments that they have you guys do. All right. If you have any questions or need any help getting your document submitted online, give us a call at 717-389-1900.